Small foods, meaningful changes. A quiet moment at the doctor's office changed how I looked at food after 50. The conversation was calm and practical. Nothing dramatic. Just a reminder that the body slowly changes with age. Metabolism slows. Muscles recover differently. And nutrition suddenly matters more than ever. So I began paying closer attention to what actually supports the body in this stage of life. Research from organizations like the National Institutes of Health and the Mayo Clinic points to several nutrient-rich foods that help maintain energy, heart health, and cognitive function. Cells need nutrients to repair and protect. Number 7. Walnuts. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids and plant antioxidants. Studies published in the journal Nutrients link regular walnut intake with better cardiovascular markers in older adults. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamin K, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients help support bone strength and healthy blood circulation according to data referenced by the National Institutes of Health. Number 5. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fats EPA and DHA. Research discussed by the American Heart Association connects these fats with heart and brain health. Number 4. Blueberries. These small fruits contain anthocyanins. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests these compounds support brain function and cellular protection. Number 3. Yogurt. Fermented dairy contains probiotics. According to the Mayo Clinic, probiotics may support gut microbiome balance, which plays a role in digestion and immunity. Number 2. Oats. Oats contain beta-glucan fiber. This soluble fiber has been studied for its role in supporting healthy cholesterol levels. Number 1. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil provides monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. Studies in the New England Journal of Medicine show that Mediterranean-style diets rich in olive oil support cardiovascular health. Results depend on lifestyle and portions. Not every food works the same for every person. Health responses vary based on genetics, activity level, and existing conditions. Consult a doctor before major diet changes. In the end, the goal is not perfection. It is consistency. Small foods chosen daily can support the body for years to come. Like the video if this list helped. Small habits today support strength tomorrow.